There are high-end, cheap budget motherboards, and then there's the middle of the pack. Despite what you may think, mid-range motherboards are usually the best value. They strike a great balance between premium features, design, and value for money. That's exactly what the X870 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi is all about, and it's the best AM5 motherboard for most people. This board is an improvement over its predecessor, the X670 Aorus Elite AX. With a transition to the X870 chipset, it introduces more advanced power delivery, PCIe 5.0 support for storage, faster DDR5 memory compatibility, and next-gen connectivity options like Wi-Fi 7 and USB 4. These upgrades make it a versatile and forward-looking option for Ryzen 9000 series CPUs. The Aorus Elite design showcases Gigabyte's signature aesthetic with a large rear I/O cover covered with the Aorus logo and a touch of RGB lighting under the chipset heatsink. While not as flashy as some competitors, the minimalist yet premium design appeals to PC builders looking for understated elegance. The massive heatsinks over the VRM ensure efficient cooling even under heavy loads, and debugging LEDs make troubleshooting more straightforward. For storage, the Aorus Elite X870E features 3 PCIe 5.0 M2 slots, letting you take full advantage of the fastest drives available. You also get an additional PCIe 4.0 slot for extra flexibility. Memory support is impressive, with 4 DDR5 slots accommodating up to 256 GB at speeds of up to 8,200 megatransfers per second when overclocked. While it lacks automated overclocking features like Asus's AI overclocking, manual tuning is straightforward thanks to the robust BIOS. Speaking of power, the motherboard features a 16+2+2 VRM configuration, capable of handling high-performance CPUs such as the Ryzen 7 9800X3D with ease. Combined with large heatsinks, this ensures stable operation during overclocking or heavy multitasking, making it a reliable option for enthusiasts. Connectivity is another strong suit for the Aorus Elite, with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 on board, alongside USB 4 and USB 3.2 Gen 2 support. It provides cutting-edge networking and peripheral options. The rear I/O panel includes a generous array of USB ports and the convenience of BIOS flashback and Q-Flash, simplifying updates and recovery. For the competition, the ASRock X870 Pro RS is a great alternative. It features a 14+2+1 phase power design, the same toolless M2 SSD installation, and excellent connectivity. While it is cheaper, it does sacrifice the PCIe 5.0 M2 slots. Out of the 3 M2 slots, only one supports PCIe 5.0, while the other 2 feature PCIe 4.0. In comparison, the Aorus Elite features 3 PCIe 5.0 M2 slots, making it a better option if you care about fast, high-capacity storage. Putting all of that information together, the X870 Aorus Elite is a stellar motherboard that has everything you could ask for. With ample support for PCIe 5.0 components, a robust VRM configuration, and great connectivity, this motherboard is hard to beat for the price. To sum up, what I like is the excellent design with minimal RGB lighting, the strong VRM configuration, plenty of support for PCIe 5.0 devices, and the debugging LEDs and toolless M2 installation. On the downside, there's no advanced automated overclocking, and it's a bit pricier than the competition. Ratings: Design, 9 out of 10. Features, 8.5 out of 10. Connectivity, 8.5 out of 10. Power delivery, 9 out of 10. Value, 9 out of 10. For an overall rating of 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching! Remember, you can check prices in the description below. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and hardware reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and let me know your opinion and suggestions in the comments. See you in the next one.